Okay, made stone. What we've got is a number of these steel beams. So you may be able to see there that the original ceiling is recessed because the windows go right to the top. It is listed, we believe. On the inside, we've got various levels. Now, what they've done is they've put the trunking, the electrical trunking in. We've got these large beams, which are just clad in plasterboard. Under here, we've got a massive steel, we believe. Up here, we've got these original, we assume, oak beams, which will need to be covered. On this face, we've got existing brick solid. On this side, what we've got is brick slips. So this is just literally bricks on plasterboard. Here we've got stud work to the toilets. Again, the area's lower there. So let's bypass that for the moment. Over to the bar side, we've got the kitchen in there. Again, it's lower. Not so many problems here, but what we believe the current structure is shallow joists, double tacked with some mineral wool. Then they put a 60 mil deep by 25 mil batten directly attached with 2 layers of plasterboard. That improved it by 4 decibels at the front. The rear went through first time. A target is +5. Original target was +10. The plan is strip all this back. We discussed an acoustic hanger ceiling, but I'd be better off, I'd prefer a formal drop ceiling with isowave. I think we strip this back. We do our very best, but just explain that it's a risky, tricky project. The client's unfortunately leased up and been in here a year without any rent, so needs to move this, paying rent for a year. She just needs to fix this. I explained it is a tricky one. Anything else? So multiple levels. Again, I'm going to try and again, it's great we've been here. God only knows where that's going, what it's doing, and how it's feeding into all this stuff.